Welcome back to 17,000 Flavors of Indonesia. Okay, today we're gonna make something very unique and special. Have you ever tried fried pasta? Nada? No? So we're gonna make fried pasta today. Okay, so we're gonna make the sauce first before we fry the pasta. So the sauce, garlic, okay, yeah, let's do, okay. Garlic there. You can put onion, just a little bit onion there. Okay. Red pepper. If you want a chili, you can do chili, but I'm just gonna do red pepper there. Tomato there. Okay, guys. Chicken tender. Okay, chicken tender there. Okay. Gluten-free chicken base again. Okay. There. It's more salty if you, or salt and sugar, that's fine. Okay. Bumbu Merah here. Do 1 spoon. I think that is 1 spoon. Okay. Now, the sauce is almost done, but we're gonna do the sauce at the last. We did the first part of the sauce. Okay, that, and then now we're gonna fry this. While we're gonna fry, so I'm gonna show you to continue the sauce. Okay, let's do this. Okay, this is the fried pasta. Okay, guys, we're gonna flip it and let them crunch. Okay, we're gonna flip it. Look at that, noodles. I think it's crunchy already and strained up. Okay. Take a look at that. Brown, crunchy pasta. Put it here. Now, put this here. Pasta. So now we continue making the sauce. Okay, the sauce. And put it here. And mix it. Okay. Pasta. Okay. And then put a little bit paprika, a little bit. And then put your umami. It's a mushroom, salt. Then put your sauce on the top. Okay, guys, this is fried pasta with chicken tender and bumbu merah sauce. Take a look at that. Very simple, very easy, and very fast. If you want to combine with anything, that's fine. But make sure the pasta is crunchy, because you want to crunchy and then you dip it. Yeah, don't forget to buy the bumbu. Go to 17,000flavors.cooking. Buy the bumbu, cook at home, your food, my taste, and make the world tastier with 17,000 flavors of Indonesia. Thank you, guys, and bye-bye.
17,000 flavors of Indonesia, make the world tastier.